So today we are doing sameFirstLast array1. So given an array of integers, return true if the array is length 1 or more, and the first element and the last element are equal. So essentially for this one here, we essentially want to say, well, okay, if we have an array and so there are really two conditions here. First, actually, let's put a Boolean called sameFirstLast, which will keep track of whether or not these conditions are met in the question. So it says if the length of the array, which is called nums, is greater than or equal to 1, and essentially and let me actually make a compound Boolean expression here. So if nums.length is greater than or equal to 1, and the first element in the array is essentially equal to the last element in the array, then in that case, we're essentially going to set, sameFirstLast to true. Otherwise, it's going to remain false, so we don't need to include it in our, we don't need to make another else to specify whether or not this condition was met, given that we've already stated that sameFirstLast is false. So it seems here that we are in fact missing something. Nums is equal to, yeah, and if nums is equal to nums.length minus 1. Actually, we put a bracket here, but we put a parentheses, but we should have put a bracket. And after it's all said and done, we want to return sameFirstLast. Of course, that gets us the desired output.